In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Taskbar frozen. If your taskbar has stopped responding, the Start menu won't open, or your icons don't react to clicks, the quickest and safest fix is to refresh the part of Windows that controls the desktop and taskbar. That component is called Windows Explorer, and we can restart it from Task Manager. This won't reboot your computer, and it doesn't usually disrupt your open apps. It simply reloads the desktop environment so the taskbar can start working again. Begin by opening Task Manager. Press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time. This keyboard shortcut is designed to work even if the taskbar or Start button is unresponsive, so it's perfect for this situation. When Task Manager appears, take a look at the window. If you see a small, simplified view with just a short list, click the button labeled More Details at the bottom. That expands Task Manager to show all running apps and background processes, which is what we need. With the full view open, make sure you're on the Processes tab. Now scroll through the list until you find Windows Explorer. You'll usually see it under the section called Windows Processes, and it may have a familiar folder icon next to it. If you have a long list of entries, don't worry. Just move slowly until you spot Windows Explorer. Once you've found it, right-click on Windows Explorer and choose Restart. The moment you do this, expect your screen to flicker briefly. Your taskbar, desktop icons, and any Open File Explorer windows may disappear for a few seconds. That's normal. Windows is stopping and immediately restarting the Explorer process to clear out whatever caused the taskbar to freeze. Now, simply wait for the taskbar to reload. In most cases, this takes only a moment. You'll see the taskbar reappear, your Start button will respond again, and your icons should behave normally. This refresh targets only the interface layer. Your other applications should remain open and unaffected. If you had File Explorer windows open, they may close and then return when Explorer restarts. That's all there is to it. By opening Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, expanding to more details, locating Windows Explorer, and selecting Restart, you've effectively given the Windows shell a quick reset. It's a fast, reliable way to get an unresponsive taskbar back on its feet without a full system restart. Thanks for watching, and I hope this simple walkthrough helps you get back to work with a responsive taskbar in just a few clicks.